Today's tool haul comes from a place I never thought that I would go to buy tools. That's right, good old Wally World. Take a look at it. I think you're gonna like this. Vice grips from Hart, but check it out. These do not have the standard screw to adjust the vice grip. These are automatic. Right from the factory, they seem to be set up with about medium pressure. I've got an axle nut. Let's see if we can go ahead and clamp down on that. Not bad, so it holds onto that. I didn't have to adjust it, and there's no wheel. And let's go straight from the axle nut to something super thin, almost paper thin. Just this little edge right there on the thermostat. No adjustments necessary. So if I have to adjust this guy between the axle nut, now I gotta come down to the thermostat. We gotta set it all the way down here. There we go. So these, it's all about saving time. Now it's got this little blue vinyl lever here, and it pushes down to release, and I like that. I like the push down type. The kind that you pull, like the vice grips, tend to get my fingers stuck in there and I get them pinched. So this I like, and it extends way beyond that handle there. So you've got plenty of room to get your finger in there and open these things up. Now down in here is a spring, and this is where you're going to get your tension. It's got a screw here that sets the tension. You can go a little bit higher or a little bit lower, and no matter what you're clamping, that tension is going to be the same. So I've got deep serrations here, and then it's got a double cut serration right there on the tip. Compare that with the snap-on. These aren't as good. It's just got the horizontal serrations there. The tips aren't as fine as these are. I like these things. I've got another pair, also from Walmart. Let's check it out. Now these are the 6-inch. The ones that we were looking at are the standard 10-inch. Let's have these little jokers cut out. Those jaws open up really, really wide, and they come down really quick. I like that. Same thing here, you've got the adjustment screw that adjusts this spring to give you the tension that you want. This is pretty genius. Now if we look right here, it's got a US patent number, it's got 2 of them, but it says Hart. Are you serious? Hart actually went out and patented their own design? Well, no. These were made by C.H. Hansen about 20 years ago, and they had it patented, this automatic design. Now it looked exactly like this one here, but it just didn't say Hart. Now the Hart looks like it's laser etched on there. Let me have a gander at that, make sure it's not paint. Oh, uh-oh, might be paint. Yeah, that's just painted on. I know exactly what I'm going to use these for. Let's go have a look. Alright, we're going to use one-handed operation here to hold those struts up there, keep this hood from falling on my head. And it holds just fine, and it's super fast and super easy. I talked to C.H. Hansen about whether they still make this vice grip, and they said they don't, but they did direct me to Armor Tools. Now Armor Tools has this and the 10-inch, but they also have a needle nose and a couple other designs, so a little bit more than the Hart does. I also checked on Amazon, and it seems like Hazet, the German tool company, also makes an auto-adjusting locking plier like these, but they're not the exact same. They're their own design. So that's available if you want to spend more money on them and buy a German brand. So made in Taiwan and limited lifetime warranty. Now this is a Walmart brand, so you just return it back to Walmart. Gripping something larger where the jaws have to open up quite a bit. It's tough to get the handle to start moving. It seems like this spring has to slide on that shaft down there that it's riding on. And to get that spring moving, you kind of, it's hard to grip. See how far open it is? So I got to get my other hand involved, so let's check that out. So I kind of give it a little bit of help with my offhand. and now I can do it one-handed. But just to get that moving, so that is a bit of a pain. Let's check it out on the smaller piece. This, super easy to do single-handed. I'm just gonna test this little bolt. Not too bad, they hold on. Look what happened there. The bolt came out and the jaws automatically closed themselves. I didn't do anything with the handle. It's just this spring inside of there that closed up those jaws. Now these vice grips, just like most of them, these locking pliers, it's got a single cutter there. So it's got an anvil on one end, and here on the bottom it's got a cutter. Doesn't feel all that sharp. Let's see if it can cut like a zip tie. Yeah, I can cut a zip tie. All right, why don't we just go crazy here? We've got a deck screw and a finish nail. Still just using the 6-inch pliers. Now let's give it a shot. Close your eyes. Yeah, I don't have enough. Maybe I do, hold on. Wow, all right, that screw went flying across the shop somewhere in 2 pieces. I heard 2 sounds when it landed, or when they landed. So let's try the finish nail, and hopefully this one won't fly. I'll try and cover it here. Squint. All right, there's one piece of it. The other piece flew out behind me there. So it's not exactly a clean cut. It does go through there. Not bad. Let's have a look. Project Farm style. At the anvil. The anvil's got a dent in it. Now that cut a deck screw, which is really hard, in that little nail. And the cutter, can you see that? It's got some pretty heavy damage to it. So I don't think this is heat treated steel. Are they the best locking pliers made? Probably not. But I really don't see anything wrong with them. And for the price, you really can't beat them. So if you want a faster locking plier, faster vice grip, this would be the way to go. It'll keep you from having to adjust the screw like you do on everything else. I like them. I'm gonna put links for this and also the Armor tools, even the Hazette. I'll put the link down below. You can check them out for yourself, compare them. And why not give these things a try? Walmart's got a satisfaction guarantee, so if you don't like them, take them back or send them back. I'm gonna hang on to these. Thanks for watching.